Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can prevent Google Photos from uploading everything in your gallery. So you're going to click on the icon, then scroll down to photo settings. Then when you get to photo settings, click on backup. Make sure it is on. When it is on, you're going to scroll down till you find backup device folders. Then click on it. It takes a while to load, especially if you have many folders in your gallery. Once it has loaded all the folders that are there, you're gonna select the folders that you don't want. So these are the folders that I have currently on the phone. So it will, if you want it to back up, then you're just gonna click on. By default, what usually happens, anything in the camera directory is uploaded. So what you can do, if you, for example, if you don't want screenshots to upload, you can temporarily move them from the DCIM folder. Yeah, but now for these other folders, you just have to select. Yeah, so that's it. That's how you prevent Google Photos from uploading everything. See you in the next one.